Dear students, good morning to all of you. Welcome the chapter Power Sharing of 10th class from 6. In the previous video, we have come to know what is power sharing and we have taken the examples of two countries, Belgium and Sri Lanka. And we also know that there were many ethnic groups in that countries. For example, in Belgium there were Dutch, French and German, and in Sri Lanka there were Tamils and Sinhalese. So, students, you have come to know that there were the conflict between that groups. Then today we are going to discuss about that how these governments of different countries taken these matters, how they have resolved that. So let us see. First we see in Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, the government has adopted the majoritarianism. Majoritarianism means when the supremacy of one caste. That was Sinhalese. Students, you know Sri Lanka got independent in 1948. As I have told you earlier, there were two groups there, Sinhalese and Tamils. Their Sinhala community dominate in government. They tried to dominate over the Tamilians, and government has passed the Act 1956 which recognized Sinhala as the only official language. That government has declared the Sinhala official language. And it was also said that the state shall protect the and foster the Buddhism. जो स्टेट है वो बुद्धिज्म धर्म को प्रोटेक्शन देगा और उसी का प्रचार करेगा. दैट बिलोंग्स टू आल्सो सिन्हेलास. सो इन दिस वे श्रीलंकन गवर्नमेंट फेल्ट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. इससे श्रीलंका में रहने वाले तमिल्स को भेदभाव महसूस हुआ. दे फॉर्म द पॉलिटिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दैट वाज कॉल्ड एलम. एंड ड्यू टू दिस डिस्ट्रस्ट इंक्रीज्ड अमंग पीपल. लोगों में अविश्वास की भावना आई बिकॉज श्रीलंकन गवर्नमेंट हैज नॉट डन जस्टिफिकेशन फ्रॉम द फॉर द तमिल्स. So it turned into civil war. In this way, you have seen students that the step was not taken considerably by the government of the Sri Lanka and power sharing was not done, so it turned into civil war. Now let us see what steps were taken by the Belgium government. Accommodation in Belgium. You know students, the leaders have realized that the unity of the country is possible only by respecting the feelings and interests of different communities and regions. Belgium government felt that the peace, the unity of the country is possible only by respecting the feeling of the all people. All people means there Dutch, German and French speaking. So they made the community government for them. What is community government? Which is elected by people belonging to one language community. Government does not follow any preferential policy in matters of jobs and education like Sri Lanka. They have given the same position, equal rights in government jobs also. So in this way their conflict was not happened. And furthermore, between 1970 and 1993, the Constitution of Belgium was amended 4 times. The government of the Belgium have amended the Constitution 4 times. Why? To equal power sharing among their groups. So in this way, the civil war does not happen in Belgium, but due to policy not taken in the right direction, Sri Lanka government that face the civil war in their country. So in this way we can say that power sharing is necessary in democracy. It reduces the possibility of conflict between different social groups. In the next video, we will come to know what are the forms of power sharing. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.